How to connect Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you exactly how to connect Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go. Sticker Go is a handy app that helps you complete your sticker albums in Monopoly Go. By connecting your profiles, you can easily track your progress and potentially trade stickers with other players. So to connect Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go, first open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Into Monopoly Go, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the menu. Take a moment to memorize your username. We'll need it later. Now go back and tap the Friends icon in the bottom right corner. In the Friends menu, tap the Invite icon in the bottom. Tap the Invite button. This will display your invite link on your phone. You should see a Copy button next to the link. Tap that button to copy the link to your clipboard. If you don't see this Copy Link button, tap on the Notes app and your link will appear on it. Once you've copied your link, go to the Sticker Go app. Once it's loaded, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Profile in the bottom. You'll see a section to paste your Monopoly Go link. Tap on the Paste button to paste the copied link into the designated field in Sticker Go. Now below the link, here's where your memorized username comes in. Type in your Monopoly Go username exactly as it appears in the game. Finally, tap Save to finalize the connection. That's it. Your Monopoly Go profile is now connected to Sticker Go. Now you can leverage Sticker Go's features to manage your sticker collection and potentially find trading partners. And this is how to connect Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go. If you have any questions about connecting Monopoly Go profile on Sticker Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.